Boom, traders around the world is back. Irvin here. Welcome to another amazing week. This week, I'm going to give you three amazing explosive pairs that I believe the market should be rewarding you with hundreds and hundreds of pips. So the very first pair that I'm going to give you today is going to be GBP JPY. I don't want to show you the real data yet. Guys, this is the way we are gonna be doing our weekly analysis. I want each and every one of you to pay attention to the dashboard. The dashboard will always give you the answer of what you're looking for on the market. Look at what 4 hours and daily time frame is letting us know. So that when you see two colors, basically daily time frame dropping down and the 4 hours going in the opposite way, what is the representation of that particular colors, guys? That is the market is doing a pullback on the lower time frame. Who is the boss at that current time? The daily time frame is the one who is doing whatever it is doing on the market. But let me show you the real data so you won't get confused. Real data, real talk. This is how I love to trade multiple time frame. I always pay attention. Where is multiple time frame doing? Boom, it's in a sell position. What is our TW sniper entries doing? Boom, look at what the daily time frame shows us on the dashboard. Dashboard is true, it's selling us. Look at the stairs. Where's the stair hitting, guys? It's clearly giving us a original trend as a sell position. Unless, look at what the 4 hours is telling us. Hey, Irvin, is telling us that we are currently doing a what? We are doing a pullback at this real time. So on Friday, USD JPY was in a pullback as a buy trend. What is gonna happen this coming week, guys? This is the week of where you are gonna planning to make hundreds and hundreds of pips on the market. But remember one thing, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. But if you are finding value so far, make sure you sign up, subscribe, so you will never miss any video from us. So this is what I think the market is gonna do, guys. Market still has potential, believe it or not. Market still has potential to go all the way to our previous multiple time frame in here. Look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches in here, and from here it's time to make money, coming all the way to our almost our 100 Fibonacci. Why that? Because look at here, previous multiple time frame one. Look at these touches in here, rejection, rejection, rejection. So market is gonna come to that level. By then the week is over, guys. Believe it or not, by then the week is over and you are completely satisfied with the market. All right, let me go ahead and give you another amazing pair that I think the market is gonna blow your mind this coming week, guys, and that is going to be Euro USD. Let me not show you the real data yet. Look at a very exact setup that I just explained you. Look at the dashboard, guys. Look at that. 4 hours and daily are contradicting when the lower time frame is contradicting. In this scenario here, the 4 hours is your lower time frame versus the daily time frame, right? So the 4 hours is saying that we are in a sell position. The daily time frame is saying, hey, we are in a buy position. That means the 4 hours is doing a pullback. Now, let me show you the real data so you can fully understand the market. Look at how simple it is. How simple we trade here multiple time frame, guys. There's no point for you to get confused. Look at the daily time frame. Daily time frame saying that multiple time frame is in a buy. TW sniper entry saying that we're in a buy. Look at the stairs, guys. This trend here do not lie. This is the why I love to trade with multiple time frame. Look at the original trend. Where's the original trend heading? It's going up. What happened on Friday, guys? What happened? Look at here. Multiple time frame gave us a what? An pullback. This is considered a pullback. So market is considered is still selling. How far is this sales gonna go? This is where I come in because I like to teach you data that does not exist. I don't know what's gonna happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I don't have the data, but this is the weekly analysis. Now look at here. This is what I believe the market is gonna do. Market is gonna come back and retest this previous support and resistance in this area here, boom, which is going to be your golden Fibonacci level, which is going to be your 50. From there, the market is going to do a retracement. Remember, who is the boss? The buyers are in control, guys. Then the market is going to come back and retest this previous multiple time frame, which is going to be your 38, and market will continue on that pullback. All right. That's what I believe the Euro USD is gonna be performing this coming week. But there is more, guys. There is more for me to analyze. I'm gonna analyze you a pair that I told you the market was in a buy trend, and boom, now we are doing a what you will see. Let me show you. That pair is gold, guys. Look at gold. Let me see. Let me click on gold before I show you. Look, this is very important, guys. Market has been bullish. Look at the dashboard. This is the type of trades you want to trade. When 4 hours and daily time frame are in the same colors, that means that we all should be banking on the market. But there is more. Let me show you the data, real data, so you can understand. Look at that. What is the multiple time frame doing? Clearly, look at here. Boom, buy. What is the TW sniper entry doing? Boom, it's not buy. Look at the stairs, guys. This market here do not lie. Everything is only going in one direction. Look at what happened on Friday. Market start giving us a pullback. Is that pullback yet ready? No, it's not ready yet. It's giving you a signal. That's why, look at what the market is doing here. Market is doing a build up. So it's building in this box in here. But this is my understanding, guys. Market is gonna come to this level one more time. So it's gonna go up. And yes, I believe this pullback is gonna be valid. Maybe on Tuesday, Monday, or most likely it's gonna be on Tuesday. And boom, we are gonna be looking down to a sell position all the way to our 38.2 Fibonacci, and then from there we're gonna recover and go all the way to the moon, because gold still bullish, guys. Another pair, guys, that the market is doing so well is USD 30, guys. USD 30 also is doing a pullback on the 4 hours. If you are planning to trade USD 30, let me know, guys, if you want me to analyze any other pair, and I will be more than happy to do so. All right, so thank you guys for being here. God bless you, and I will see you back on the next episode. Peace out. Hasta la vista, baby. Boom.